Hey guys, Richard Oki here, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can find killer interest to target for your Clickbank offers. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can target interest on Facebook and a very ninja way of actually doing the targeting too. But if you're interested in affiliate marketing, we have a free training, so check out the link in the description below to get access to that. Anyway, so as you can see right now I'm inside of Clickbank, and I'm going to show you exactly a secret way in which I use to find a new interest to target on Facebook when I'm running my Clickbank offers. So if we head over to a random niche, so I'm going to just select let's say green products. This is like DIY sort of things. And we're just going to go for this first offer. So this is a EZ battery reconditioning course, averaging $50 per sale. Yeah, so decent payout for the offer. I don't think this offer has rebuilds. No. Okay, so I'm just gonna have a look at the VSL, so the offer page. This is what I always like to do when I'm checking out new offers to run on Clickbank. Just head over to the VSL, watch the video, and you want to really become part of that niche. You want to really understand the type of people that you want to be attracting to these offers. So this is a battery reconditioning offer. I would say that this is like DIY home improvement type of offer. That's the sort of interest that you will initially target, and what I call that direct interest that you're targeting if you use that method. Now there are ways in which you can find the new interest to target just by being very, very clever. So one way of doing that is I'm going to head over to alexa.com. So I think I have it open in another tab. Yep, so I'm alexa.com. So I'm going to go to the home page, show you how I got to this page. And it's this what I'm doing right now, even though it's crazy and it's really valuable, we're going to find out in a second, it is completely free. All right, so head over to tools, go to top sites, and then go to by category. Awesome. And since this is a DIY sort of product, I would say that the best category for this particular offer would be, I'd go home. Yeah, home would be the best one. All right, so open up home. Awesome. Now I will now be looking at all these different subcategories, and it doesn't end here. All right, this is where the secret ninja stuff starts to come out. So I want to select subcategories that are relevant to this particular offer. So I would say do it yourself and home improvement would definitely be the most direct ones. I wouldn't say this is so much emergency, but if you could have a battery that never runs out of battery that never runs out of juice, then I guess you could use that in emergency. So that could be potentially a indirect interest in that area. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to be using these as just interest, because these are the typical interests that people will target on Facebook, which means that they are much more competitive, and there's higher chance that it's going to be, obviously if it's more competitive, it's going to cost us more money. So what I'm trying to do with this strategy is I'm trying to find those hidden interests that people aren't looking at. All right, and the way I do this is I've selected a few of these categories, and this one right now is, I believe this is the home category. Or the do-it-yourself, actually, this is the do-it-yourself category. And I'm seeing all these different websites, all right? So Instructables, eHow, Wonder How To. And these websites, I guess, are websites that people go to learn how to do things themselves. Like, you can build your own, I don't know, your own fort or your own bedroom. I don't know what they're building, but these are people that want to get their hands dirty and want to build things. They'll be going onto these sites. These are people within our target segment for this specific offer. So this site is Instructables.com. I'm actually going to go to this website. I'm going to open it up. But before I do that, I want to look at a few things here. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to head over to the website Instructables. Okay, so yep, DIY stuff. We make it easy to learn how to make anything one step at a time. From the stovetop to the workshop, you are sure to be inspired. So obviously people that go onto this website are people that would be interested in finding a battery reconditioning course, because they're interested in, you know, getting their hands dirty. They don't just want to go to the store and buy something and it's just there and ready. These people want to get their hands dirty and they want to do things themselves. So people that go to this website are a target for this particular offer, but this is an interest that you could target, but people are not targeting. All right, and you can get a lot of value and a lot of money from targeting, you know, interests like this. So what I want to do is I need to double check on Facebook if this is an available interest. Okay, so before I do that, I'm just going to actually go to open up my extension called Similar Web and just get some stats on the site. Wow, so we can see here 25 million people head to this site. Is it every month? Wow, yeah, monthly. Okay, that's crazy. So this site gets a ridiculous amount of traffic. So it's a very good interest that we could target, even on its own, like without stacking the interest, because it must have a very broad reach in terms of the audience size. So I'm heading over to Facebook now. And inside of Facebook, you want to go to inside of your business manager, you want to head over to audience insights. This is where I am now. So scroll down, audience insights. And I just want to search Instructables. That's the name of the site, right? So Instructables. Yeah, Instructables. Okay, so this is a potential interest, I believe. I think this is the interest. Let's have a look. Instructables. Yeah, awesome. So this is a potential interest that we could target, and you could just go to all initially when you're starting your audience. And the main thing here is, did it go away? Let's see. Yeah. Cool. And the main thing here is when you're doing the targeting for a particular campaign like this one, and you're targeting an interest such as Instructables, the audience reach may initially be small. And what you may want to do is you want to have several different interests combined, you know. And the main thing here is that you're collecting that initial data on your campaign. So you're collecting purchases, which then warm up your pixel, makes your pixel smarter. And once you've got a certain number of conversions, what you then do is you can focus more on, you know, creating a replica of the conversions, forgetting about the interest and just focusing on that next stage of your audience targeting. Okay, so don't worry about targeting initially a small audience. I would say making sure that your reach per campaign is at least, you know, over 100K. You should be fine, because if you're very targeted initially, especially if you have low budget, what you're actually doing is you are actually making sure that you're guaranteeing yourself to get conversion through. When that conversion data comes through, you can then, you know, extend that campaign by creating lookalike audiences of people that purchase, and you essentially give Facebook the best data as quickly as possible. So you can go ahead and you can repeat this for another offer, another niche, another segment. You can look through the whole list as we had here. Where is the list? Let's go back. So this is the wrong list. Yeah, so you can go through this whole list, and what you can even do is you can actually, put all of these different websites as interest, and you can just stack them together, and you can run a campaign or ad set with all of those stacked, and you can just do those tests as you will. But the main thing here is that this gives you a new supply of interest that you can target for your campaigns. Now, if you're interested in affiliate marketing and you want to take things to the next level for your business, make sure you check out the free training in the video, in the link below the description, because I know that affiliates right now, there's a lot of information out there telling you this, telling you that, and it can be very difficult to narrow down your focus. And what that can cause, if your focus is not narrowed, that can cause a lot of information disconnects, which can mean that you are trying out a million things every single week. Now, that's not going to lead you to success, especially with affiliate marketing. So make sure you check out the training in the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on Clickbank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.